Well, it is Sunday morning and I am in the office. My son does not have hockey today, so I'm taking full advantage of that. With that said, a busy week for our law firm coming up in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Will not be in court tomorrow due to the President's Day holiday, but nevertheless, even though we're not in court, it still remains one of our busiest days of the week. Monday morning, we have a lot to do for clients and their families, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. But the rest of the week, I'll be splitting time, as always, between the two states, going back and forth. And again, looking forward to it, representing clients in criminal courts, preliminary hearings, and also office consultations. With that said, came out with a blog article today regarding probation and parole violations in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And I put this article out because frequently many of our clients and their families don't understand the difference between probation and parole. The words and phrases are used sometimes interchangeably, and sometimes clients don't even realize that they're on parole when they're really on probation, and vice versa. Now, the two concepts are very different. Probation and parole both involve supervision, but if you violate probation, you are subject to resentencing. If you violate parole, more than likely, you're going to be sent back to jail or state prison for a violation. And in that article, I detail both direct and technical violations. Direct violations being you arrest, technical violations in most cases being something like a failure to maintain conditions of probation, like failing to meet your probation officer, positive drug tests, and other terms and conditions of the probation agreement. So that's very important. In addition, I highlight how to terminate probation early. Now, the majority of our cases, we represent clients at the pretrial and trial level, but we also represent clients with regards to terminating their probation early. If you are on probation and you have a good relationship with your probation officer and you don't really have much time left on probation, I always say a year or maybe a year or two left, but you've been on probation a while and there's no issues, you can file a motion to terminate that probation early. Now, there's a process to go through to do that. You just don't want to go to your probation officer. You want to speak to your attorney first and find out whether or not you qualify for a possible motion to terminate probation early. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, and videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, I came out with a blog article regarding compassionate release in New Jersey. Again, it's a program that's available to everyone regardless of their sentence, but there's things that need to be satisfied in order to qualify for the compassionate release. I'm going to link in both the article on probation and parole and the article on compassionate release. In addition, I'm going to link in to this video my recent e-update, which went out on Friday to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Fantastic issue it came out on Friday. And again, we put out these e-updates, my blogs, my vlogs, my books. All these are done to educate our clients and their families, because again, I firmly believe that an educated client is the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gambonelaw.com, where you can sign up for the e-update and receive each and every Friday to your inbox. It's some great information. In addition, next week, I'll be sitting down with employment lawyer Peter Weinbrake to discuss his practice, and our podcast is also available on our website. We bring in top lawyers from outside of the criminal defense world to discuss their practices, because we understand that our clients and their families often have issues outside of our criminal defense practice, and we want to make these top attorneys available to them, tell them about them. So if they have a problem in the area of immigration, personal injury, civil rights, employment, family law, we make all these attorneys available to you and your family and hope that you take advantage of them. So once again, have a great Sunday, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.